Okay, welcome back. Again, here we are at with the 2391 question and answers, paper 35. Okay, now I just want to see if I can, let's see if I can make this font a little bit bigger as I go. Okay, oh, I did make them bigger as I went on. Thank you. Okay, let me do a little bit of zooming then. Once again, view, and let me do a bit of additional zooming. Okay, to make sure that we can. Okay, yes, I think that will be us. Yes, okay. Right, now this is questions 2391, questions and answers, paper 35. Now, list three factors that will influence the duration between the commissioning of a new installation and the first periodic inspection and test of the installation. And this is for 3 marks. Now, what I've done here is that you've got questions that you need to answer, but please try answering the questions before you look at the answers, okay? It doesn't help you to look at the answers then try to do the questions, because this should be part of your natural working process. Okay, so let's get on with that. There's not much here for me to say because again, it's just mainly for you to be doing the work. Okay, I'm just providing you with the tools to help you understand, and remember, you need to adapt this in your own style of learning. Okay, and again, remember to check with the BS 7671 IEE regulations. Check, 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 and check again to make sure you are concurrent with current legislation and regulations at all times. Okay. Okay. By my expansion of this, it's taken me left me 4 here, but I'm sure that I'll get it where it should be correctly. Okay, you might, I'm just glancing through it, so bear that in mind, okay? When you actually sit down to actually do the work yourselves. And here is our answers, okay? Nothing for me to say much. Again, here is mainly for you now to be doing the work for yourselves, okay? Now remember that this page may have changed. Ensure check with the IE regulations, okay, that it still relates to the same thing, okay? That is your responsibility. Okay, thank you. Now I hope you found this useful. Let me just go back and make sure that is all in view, okay? Okay, okay, I'm just recapping now, okay? Just recapping. Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.